it's nice to know what we have now is ours, built on commitment, determination, and resilience, faith, hope, love, patience, sacrifice, purification, wisdom, knowledge, higher perspective, allowing freedom, letting go, releasing, and much more. It's nice to know. The knowing inside of me is all the confirmation I need, for this love is true, anchored on a core belief that love is strong enough to create its own path into our hearts. It is nice to know. In love I rest. In love I release all. In love I lift up my wings, our wings, to fly and touch the highest realms of consciousness. It is nice to know. In love together we'll pierce the veil of forgetfulness and experience a new kind of existence here and now. It is nice to know. Hand in hand, we've made it this far. Heart to heart, we shall stay that way, in a love that grows past this lifetime to eternity. It is nice to know. Talk to you soon, Keroy.